Hello world, how you doing today? Behind me is just the Milk and Madu, very famous restaurant in Ubud, very successful. It's not paid endorsement, this is the Canggu brand, and it's quite many cars on the around parked today. I'm gonna show you a little bit around, but before I'm gonna start vlogging today, I would like to shout out to my graphic designer Mick Everett from Perth, Australia, who is designed this t-shirt by the way, but also my new thumbnails. I'm very happy from the thumbnails. You can comment below what do you think about them. If you don't know what is the thumbnail, thumbnails are the profile picture of each video, like a video picture. They are pretty cool in my opinion. You can comment below what do you think, and meanwhile I'm gonna show you quick shots from the Ubud center. How does it look like? Just behind me there are some photographers, local photographers, maybe video makers. The street here still broken. Well, somebody said that they need half year to fix it, and this is the Ubud center, and I'm gonna show you around how it looks today live. I hope so it's a little bit more busier than past days, but let's see. Ubud center traffic, the road is really in not the best condition, but well, they're gonna fix it one day, that's for sure. Later I'm gonna drive there, I will show you. There are some tourists, even international. Here's the art market in Ubud, but I'm very curious about the situation about the warungs over there, if they are finally open or not, because this is Ubud center, and well, if here is busy, it's supposed to be busy everywhere, but let's see. Meanwhile, this road looks very bad in the Ubud center, by the way. And well, actually everything is the same like it was. All of the shops, warungs and restaurants here are unfortunately still remains closed. Pretty sad. Durian here, little bit. Quick shot to the entrance to the market. Here we go. I was very curious if this restaurant already back to the life. Unfortunately, still means like no. That's sad actually, that's sad. That's still like my previous video, still a long way until something really gonna change in Bali. This is no matter Kuta Legian or Ubud, doesn't look that much optimistic. Yeah. There's some local tourists walking around. I will show you around Ubud right now. Pretty sad image still, and yeah guys, I will show you now around Ubud, little bit around, so stay with me. This is the new Ubud center, and well, you can go back to Sanur, to Denpasar, or go to Jalan Monkey Forest, and we are going to Monkey Forest. Unfortunately, this restaurant, vegan restaurant, is shut down, it's closed, and I could say today, slightly, little bit more alive, seems like. Quickly gonna go, let's see if the Ubud Monkey Forest is open today. Meanwhile, well, maybe this area of Monkey Forest, it's not that, super busy, but well, Monkey Forest is open. We are open, so that's the good sign. Okay, I skipped the corner of Monkey Forest because there is still very depressing, sad, empty. I wanted to keep it today's vlog little bit more optimistic, and actually I can see already on the streets it's slightly little bit more alive than previous times when I used to vlog here. It's still very quiet, and many businesses actually are closed, and I think that's nothing really gonna change in the very near future, unfortunately. But I can say it's slightly more alive, slightly more cars parked on the left to compare to the last time, and especially to the Legian, Padma, Uchara, where I used to vlog last time, is definitely something more alive, it's some life. And also I make so many videos around this area in the past, and it was so always so quiet, so deadly quiet. But today I could say it's little bit more alive, at least a little bit. Well, maybe not that much, but little bit, yes, definitely. But yeah, still unfortunately many businesses on the right especially are simply closed, and that's how it is today in Ubud, Jalan Monkey Forest. We are heading now to center where I start today's vlog, but unfortunately many restaurants are still closed, but also some are open actually. Yeah, let's see, just enjoy the view. Also beautiful pastures around. I will try to drive and show you a little bit around. This is the center of Jalan Monkey Forest. Slightly more alive, that's for sure, definitely. Even the bikers, more bikers than usual. Some people walking around, some businesses are, well, Hollywood Indian cuisine is open today, and Grandpa's unfortunately still closed. And no, no banjo guy who was always singing for me. Going into the one-way road system here. This is the area where is the so many boutiques, actually small, more local little bit vibe of the Ubud center. And somewhere here supposed to be the Black Beach restaurant, cafe over here. I used to vlog there a year ago. Lovely stuff. And anyway, many warung small shops are here, unfortunately are closed, so I decide I decide this is the lovely vibes. But the guy driving like Fernando Alonso. Anyway, I decide I will slowly drive here because I want to cover more area today. This is like I think 10 kilometers or 12 around. And also, unfortunately, many businesses are still closed, so it's not really point to walk slowly and focus on the empty building each by each. I think this one is definitely much better, especially if you are familiar with the... Like I said, I don't know, people are so friendly here. And anyway, like I said, if you are familiar with the area, you can have a point of view how it's today. And if you don't know, well, it's a little bit more alive, definitely, I have to say, but still, well, still far to the any kind of proper normal. It's going to be dark soon. Here is the Ubud restaurant, and just behind me is Ubud Yoga Center. And well, this is the street. Situation on the street is actually quite busy. There is the river. But unfortunately, like this restaurant and the Ubud Yoga Center, everything is closed. So I'm trying my best to make a little bit positive, optimistic vlog today to promote everything so every people can come to Bali. But if you watch my previous video, you know how is the real situation in Bali. However, as my t-shirt said, Bali stays strong and everything will be alright. Bali will always remain strong. Even with tourists or without tourists, just people have to change their lifestyle and find a different way how they can survive. Unfortunately, Bali right now is not like Bali 50 years ago, and many things has changed into direction of tourism. So that's somehow kind of problem. I don't know what is it here actually. This restaurant is totally closed. And there are furniture inside, but nobody is actually around. I think that was the hotel or something, you can see over there. Okay, Ubud Yoga Center, actually yoga shop cafe, it's open. Seems like, my bad, but well, nobody parked outside, that's why I was thinking as it's closed. This guy's doing something next to the river, I'm not sure. Hello. And here is the also padang warung if you would like to have after yoga. I don't know if yoga people eating the padang food. I think they are vegan and vegetarian anyway. And here is also taxi service. I do not expect any taxi drivers in Ubud right now. However, supposed to be. This is their logo. That's funny story. I eat something weird today in some warung somewhere. I'm not gonna say what and where, but my tummy is really not so good today. And I feel like I'm gonna have a problem on the way home. Well, that's happened. Welcome to Asia. Well, Nikki said in India will have all the time like this, probably. Anyway, in this moment, I would like to say thank you so much for watching today, as always. I'm trying my best to be optimistic and everything all best. I will see you tomorrow.